Okay, that you can mention. As of now, we will go with yes. Okay. User permission. User cannot view the attribute. Select this option to hide sensitive attribute, for example salary information. Users can view the attribute, but attribute cannot be modified. Okay. As of now, we will go with read only because read only in the sense. Here it says, user can view the attribute, but the attribute properties cannot be modified. Okay. It cannot be modified from the user's end. Okay. Select this option for prevent attribute properties from changing, like, for example, title. Write title. You cannot just take the change. It should be changed only from the HR. Or it should be changed only by your manager. Like that. Okay. So, as of now, we have declared everything. Okay. Let's go and click Save. Array cannot be declared as unique. Okay. Array, we cannot give it. Okay, let me select in this way. Number. Okay. I can give Aadhaar card as a number. And it should be minimum of, let's say, 5, maximum of 8. It should come between 5 and 8, or you can even mention equals to 8. Okay. Because Aadhaar card number count should be 8 for everyone. Right. I mean at 12, it says, I guess it is 12. Or it is 16. So we will take it as an example as 8. Okay, because we cannot type 16 digits all the time. So we can take it as 8, okay. So take it as 8 attribute required. Yes, read only yes. So no other changes. Click Save. Property of type number cannot be declared as unique. Okay. It says it should not be unique. Okay. Let me tell you in another way. So I'm just unselecting it as of now. Click Save. It is saved. So we can see we have an edit option also. Okay. But for the base attributes you cannot do. For example, base attributes. You don't have an option to edit it. Okay. And also you can delete the custom attributes also. But you cannot do it for the base attributes. Same thing. So now let's go to people, create user. And you can see Aadhaar card for Indian users. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, let's say I'm just typing only 5 letters. 5 numbers. Okay. It says the value should be minimum 8. Okay. Then let me type 6, 7, 8, 9. I have added one more value. I mean one more count. It says the value should be 8. Okay. So let me delete that. Greater than. OK is greater than the config at maximum value 8. Oh, it should be greater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. I know something is wrong. Let me go to the editor again. I will make it between 8 and 10. Let's see. There are a few mistakes that we are doing all the time. Yeah, but what happened? If you wanted like for existing, already created users, right? So how we can change it, that I will show you. Show you. Let me try with string operations then. Let's see whether it is working or not. Somewhere this policy is using this attribute. It says, thank you. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.